All right, we got another unboxing video for you here at ClevelandMoto. What we're going to show you today are two brand new bikes. We've never had these in our showroom before. Literally brand fresh, spanking new. Inside this crate, we've got the new Vespa 300 HPE. And not only is it the 300 HPE, but it's the Touring Edition. So this is the one with all the extra accessories. Let's go ahead and let's take a look inside and see what we've got. Already popped the top off of these guys to make it a little bit easier. And this is that color. Now, the Bosco green. And the Bosco green color, Bosco, it means woodland or forest. It is a great, this is absolutely one of my favorite colors. I do think they nailed it. I think the color is perfect. I think especially for this newer, more powerful, more powerful Vespa 300. Having the bike set up this way with that particular color, it's really neat. So I gotta say, very, very impressed. Overall, very cool, real cool color, real cool look. Just absolutely a slick looking bike. So let's go ahead and pop some of this foam off so you can get a better look at the bike. And the seat, man, the seat looks good. This is a very, very nice texture. I do like that saddle. That really, boy, it just has a classy appearance. The dark metallic color, the brand new headlights, that's that LED, super bright headlight, really do love that. And now this is a totally different 300. So take a look at these features. Look at this nose. That's totally different than any other 300 or 250 we've ever seen. This is a total makeover. So a lot of beautiful stuff, a lot of really good detail on this machine. The dashboard is different. The side panels are different. The tail is different. So this bike has, it definitely still is that large frame Vespa. It absolutely still is everything we know and love about the 300 class. But I like the way that they've made it look a little more Art Deco, and they've really pulled it in with the PrimaVera, and we love the look of the PrimaVera. So I think that it really is a beautiful machine. The transmission cover, everything on this side with the HPE logo on it, it really does look great. Good job to Vespa for taking something that's been around for a very, very long time. That 250, or actually the 200 platform, the large frame, has been around forever, and they really did a hell of a job about bringing it into the modern look. So well done for them. Now, over here in this crate, this is the first one. So in yesterday's video, we got to see the new Energia Blue, and we got to see that new relaxed green that we really like. It's kind of a seafoam green, and that color's really growing on us. Well, this is a color we haven't seen before, and this is the very first one. And I believe they're calling this color Sahara. And what we're hoping for is a flat sand, because this is the S150. So the S150 is going to be like, it's their sporty version. It's got the TFT display, the very fancy display on it, which you can do as basically as a mixer or a controller for your smartphone and your media player and your GPS, and stay connected using your scooter as the Bluetooth interface. Wow, the color looks really good. Just like with the Marone Brown, just like with the Energia Blue, they really did somehow they snuck a little bit of metal. There's a little bit of metallic in this paint, and it does look nice. Good color choice on the seat too, going with the brown saddle. It's a very good move on their part. Again, all these bikes are coming with the key fobs, so we have the ability to use the remote seat popper and also to flash the indicator lights. You can find your bike, but why that's going to play in bigger is going to be for the folks that decide they want to add that aftermarket alarm system. It works with that key fob, so you're halfway there. So really a beautiful color. It does have a shimmer to it. It's got a little bit of a shine. There's something in there. Like we said, it's that mica they talked about in the paint process. It really does look great. Neat. So when you look at that lineup and you've got that red color, we've got the red one over here, you've got the Energia Blue, and now you've got the Sahara color coming in with it, this sort of a metallic sand. It really is nice. And these are these semi-satin or satin finishes. Customers really do seem to like them. I am very happy to see Vespa doing something different than a lot of the other manufacturers are doing. And right now, if you are interested in buying a scooter, if you're looking at a Vespa in particular, there's about, I think there's like 14 different permutations of, you know, with sprints and with special editions like the Touring and the Yacht Club. And then you've got your S150s, these guys with their satin paints. And then the standard colors. There are so many different ways to buy a Vespa right now. There are, if you say you can't find a color that you like in the Vespa catalog, there's nothing we can do to help you. They've given you everything. They've nailed it. So stop by your local Vespa dealer, check them out. We're going to give you some more detailed reviews as we go along. Remember, we're going to keep these coming out as we get new inventory coming in or new colors coming in. We're going to keep bringing these to you. If you want to find out about it, ring that bell icon